How to set up the Webview builder for Chatfuel. First, click on Chatfuel Connect. You'll see a drop down. There you will enter your bot ID and your broadcast token. So let's go to Chatfuel and see how to get those values. First, the bot ID is found in the URL that's there, right after bot and between those two slashes. Just double click on it and it's going to auto select that part of the URL. Copy, paste it there. Now we're going to find a broadcast token. That's over there. Click on configure. As soon as it opens, you're going to have to wait a while. Then you'll get a broadcast token. It's there, but there it is. Click on it. As soon as you click on it, it's copied on the clipboard. Then paste it there. So now your Webview builder is ready to build the first Webview.